Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to decorate one of the candy cane wreath forms from Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of those candy cane wreath forms. I also made a bow out of some ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby. And this is in the regular ribbon department, and I get it when it's 50% off. Some red ticking stripe fabric that I cut into strips. I just actually tore them into strips. And some greenery. I bought a whole yard of that ticking fabric, so be prepared for a lot of projects. So the first thing I did was tie a hanger with some twine onto my wreath frame. And then I just started gluing and wrapping the fabric around the whole frame. And I just glued the ends and then wrapped. And then when I got to the end of each strip, I also glued those into place and then glued the strip to start it and then just kept spinning it around. And this was really hard to get all of it on video, so I'm hoping that you're able to see what I'm doing. But as you can see, I got to the end of that strip. I glued it down and then cut the excess off. And then I'm just going to start with a new strip, and I just hot glued that into place. Then I just started wrapping again. I'm going to do this till you get to the very end. And once I got to the end, I just hot glued that into place. And then I hot glued it right onto the frame with a little bit of excess fabric that I had left over. So I'm just going to glue it right onto the frame and then just fold it over. Now you could wrap several layers of fabric around this if you wanted it to be thicker or look bulkier. I like the way it looked just as it was. And once I have that all secure, I'm going to add my bow to the mid area of the candy cane. And then I'm just going to add some greenery on top of that. And then I decided, and I didn't get it on video, that I wanted to add just a little pop of red berries. So I added a couple of red berries along with the greenery. And I think that that just put the finishing touches on this. This was so easy and so much fun. And like I said, I bought a whole yard of that ticking fabric, and I think it's just beautiful. So I think I'll be using it in a lot of upcoming projects. And I think this looks absolutely adorable as is, but I definitely think the red berries just kind of pulled everything together. So I would definitely add the red berries if I were you, but that's totally up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.